Hill cipher. Today in this lecture we are looking to one of the substitution technique, Hill cipher. Hill cipher used for encryption as well as decryption. For encryption, ciphertext is equals to key into plain text mod 26. For decryption, P is equals to, that is plain text is equals to K inverse, that is the inverse of key into ciphertext mod 26. Today's lecture we will see encryption in more detail. So for example we have considering here a plain text is equals to short example while key is equals to Hill. Hill, H-I-L-L. It has 4 characters. We arrange this key into 2 by 2 matrix and we will assign numbers to alphabets. Let's say A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1, C is equals to 2. Similarly, Y equals to 24, Z is equals to 25. If we assign A is equals to 1, then Y is equals to 26. Okay. And we can consider as per our convenience. If we started A is equals to 0, then Z will be 25. If we start A with 1, then Z will be 26. So key H-I-L-L will become 7, 8, 11, 11. H represents 7, I represent 8 and L is replaced with or representing to the digit 11. And our plain text is short example. As of our key is 4 character and we arrange it into 2 by 2 matrix, we arrange our plain text into 2 by 1. That is SH, OR, TE, XA, MP and LE. So S is 18, H is 7, O is 14, R is 17. Similarly, L is 11 and E is 14. So we converted plain text with its representation of digits as we assign numbers to the alphabets. So we will convert one by one. We will convert this key with help of this plain text. We will make encryption of 2 alphabets once at a time. The formula for encryption is K is equals to P mod 26. So for first letter S and H, C is equals to key 7, 8, 11, 11 and plain text SH is 18, 7. So resulting the 7 into 18 plus 8 into 7 and 11 into 18 plus 11 into 7, this will result to this matrix and this matrix will take mod 26 of it. The resultant outcome, the result of this is 0, 15. 0 represent A, 15 represent P. Similarly, for next 2 alphabets, that is O and R from the plain text, the ciphertext is equals to key into plain text. Its resultant matrix mod 26 of it is a 0, 3 and it is nothing but AD. Next is for TE. Similarly, it is a JT. Similarly, next is XA, that is key into plain text representing numbers. It's a matrix outcome and mod 26 of it is a 590 which represents to F and T. Similarly, we will solve the next 2 brackets also. So the overall plain text short example is encrypted and its ciphertext is AP, AD, JT, FT, LFJ. If this is of even numbers, but if this has some odd number series, let's say there is S in it or any alphabet, but which is only 1, so in that case that S will be here and this place is vacant, so we will put an imaginary letter X and accordingly we will solve it. If our key is of 9 alphabet, we can arrange it into 3 by 3 matrix and these plain text in 3 by 1 and we will solve in a similar way. If we consider the inverse of this key and the ciphertext, that inverse of key and ciphertext mod 26, we will receive plain text from this one. So in this lecture we have seen encryption methodology in Hill cipher, which is one of the popular substitution techniques. Thank you.